The ZER-LON GTX 1050 Ti graphics card utilizes the powerful Pascal architecture to deliver a seamless gaming experience with its 4 gigabytes of GDDR5 video memory. Equipped with a 9cm low-noise fan and a sophisticated aluminum heatsink, this card efficiently manages heat to maintain optimal performance. With a full-load power consumption of approximately 75 watts, it does not require an external power supply, simplifying the installation process. Supporting the latest technologies such as NVIDIA GeForce Experience and DirectX 12, this card ensures compatibility with a wide range of modern applications. Constructed with high-quality materials, including solid capacitors and a reinforced PCB, this graphics card is built to last and comes with a 3-year warranty. Its ability to support up to 4K resolution makes it a strong contender for both gaming and office use, providing versatility for various user needs.